Hello tech viewers, welcome back to SouthTech tutorials. Today I will be taking you guys through how we can do calculations. Let me say you have a shopping list and you want to know the amount you have spent on different items. So I'm going to show you how you can do those calculations and how you can also insert the money symbols, different money symbols. Let me say pounds or dollars or any other symbol depending on the currency you're using. So this is my Excel and this is what we are going to use. So let me arrange this in order. As you can see, Atna's shopping list is crossing to cell B1, even C1. So we have to just do the adjustments, or we do the merge cells that we covered in the previous tutorial. So let's just do the merge cells up to amount, and then we match and center. That is our main title. So for the rest, here some letters are missing, so we can just do the adjustment by dragging. Do the same here. I think for the price is okay, even for the number of items. Maybe we can just bold this and increase the font size. Can also bold these titles, the subtitles. Just bold them. Let's take it to font size around 15. So this one has crossed. You do the same thing. You just have to drag the cross-like sign. So you can now see we have done some adjustment. I just wanted a better look for Adna's shopping list worksheet. So by the end of today, we shall be able to know how much we shall spend on buying necklace. And then we shall also put some symbols here before. So mainly, I'm just going to use the predefined symbols that Excel has provided us with, and you will also be able to insert your own. So now, in order for us to calculate the amount Atna has spent on buying necklace, we have to multiply the number of items times the price. That's how we can get the amount. And we are going to use our formulas. This is going to be like a repeat of last video's work. However, in the previous tutorial we didn't look at multiplication. We were just looking at how you can add, how you can find the minimum, the maximum. So I will not again go back there, but here we have to get the amount for this lady's shopping list. So here we have to always start with equal sign, and then remember we are multiplying. It is either way. You can multiply, you can start from price times the number of items, or the number of items times the price. So let me just use the price then times the number of items. In this scenario, we are going to read as B3 because 5,000 is inside the cell of B3, as you can now see. Then you multiply it, which is shift and 8 to get the asterisk. We are multiplying it times C3. So you can now see we have gotten the amount that she has spent on buying necklace. The amount is 1,750,000. So I think this lady is a businesswoman. That's why she's buying in large numbers. So guys, in order for us to find the amount for the high heels, we do the same. You have to use the equal sign, and then you multiply cell of B4 times the cell of C4. Then you click on enter. So that is the amount she has spent on buying high heels. So this is how you can do the calculation here. In order for you to get the amount, you have to just use the hash trick. That is the one that multiplies. When you use that, you can be able now to get the amount. It is the same thing that we have also used here. So if you have now known how you can multiply this and you get the total amount, then you can just get for the rest in a very easy way by double clicking at the extreme down corner. Just double click and you'll be able to get the rest. So you can now see there are even different formulas. You can just see it here from up. So when you click on this, if you happen to click on this, you can see that the formula is different from if you click on cell of D4. So this is how you can get the calculations, guys. It is as easy as that. And now the last thing maybe I can show you is how you can insert the symbols. If you want to insert a symbol, I think here we made an error, it has not calculated. You can just use the equal sign, cell of B8 times the cell of C8. Then you click on enter. So you can now see, you find your answer as 390,000. So this is how you do the calculations and you get the total amount. Now we want to insert the dollar sign. Since this one is, we can only insert that one on the price because the price is only just money. This is just the number of items. So we want to insert the dollar sign on the price. What you do, you just come to this dialog box that is having the percentage and then that is having the accounting number format. When you click on this small arrow which is pointing downwards, you'll be presented with the dollar or the euro or even the Chinese. So these are different symbols. If you want to create your own, you have to use the more accounting formats. But for today, I just want to show you how you can use the dollar sign on the price. So we shall go with the dollar English United States. So you can now see this one shows that we are dealing with money. So this is how you just, it is as easy as that. This is how you just do your dollar sign. Here I have changed the total, but I don't want to change, so I'll have to do it manually. I'll have to insert the dollar sign manually such that I don't tamper with what I had inserted earlier. So this is how you just insert the dollar sign. Maybe if you are dealing with euros, you can also do that. If you want to use the shillings, then you have to use the more accounting formats. And that one will be for another tutorial. For today, the main focus is to just show you how you can differentiate money and then how you can also get the total amount you have spent maybe during your shopping. For example, here we have been dealing with Annette's shopping. So this is the last one. As you can see, So this is how you put the $sign on the money or the pricing. Even this one you have to do the same. I think it is now too much, you have to just extend. So it is also the same thing, you have to use that dollar. If you want to generate it from the beginning, that means I was supposed to insert it at the beginning, but in this tutorial I just want to show you where it is not found. You have to come under the accounting features. This is where you get them. The same thing if you also want to use the percentage, that is the same stuff. So this is where you get your symbols for money and percentage, and you do the same for the rest. So if you have realized one thing, when you insert the $sign, it even gives you the decimals automatically. It's one thing I also wanted to show you, but it comes automatically when you insert the dollar symbol or the euro symbol or even the shillings, if you happen to use shillings. So this is how you deal with money. You do the calculations and then you insert those symbols. It's one of the things that we had not covered in the previous tutorial, and I felt like I had to cover it, and that's why. So this is all for today, guys, and you can do practice at your own time, at your own pace, and in case you have any difficulty, just put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you there.